Okay, so this is December 4 morning, around 11 in the morning now. Nasa labas kami ngayon with the little dogs, you know. Meron lang kaming konting little dogs ngayon, like 4 of them. Pinalabas namin sila dito sa front yard. As you see, it's a very beautiful view here. We have this guy is Homer. He is a beagle. That girl there sa my gate is a beagle also. She's the Ellie, and this is Kona, the puppy. She is a puppy, chocolate Labrador. So you see, maganda ang temperature ngayon sa labas. Naglalaro ang mga aso. And ako naman, bantay-bantay. Si Elias lumabas para bumili ng Mexican food. We're having Mexican food for lunch today. So, syempre, para makita naman ako, dapat sasama ako dito sa video. Okay. So, I'll try to call the dogs there on that side. Wait for me. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. This is Ellie. This is Ellie, the beagle. She's a cute girl. Yeah. Hello. This is Kona. This is Kona. Ang laki-laki na ni Kona. This is the big puppy bear. This is Kona bear. Yeah. Ito, punong-puno na naman ako ng rock ng aso. Okay. Nagustuhan mo ba, Pat, yung mga dogs? Polinget?